Hello guys, I am Damilare and you are welcome to Arinta Waterfall. I will be taking you around Arinta Waterfall and be telling you some history about Arinta Waterfall. Arinta Waterfall is a large water mass flowing against this rock. This waterfall is located at Ipole Loro area of Ekiti State, about a 3 minute drive to Ikongosi waterfall. There is another unique thing about this waterfall. The more the population of the people inside this waterfall, the more the water rushes. Also, the rush of the water is determined by the voice of the people under the water. The more they shout, the more the water flows out. This waterfall consists of 7 different layers. Everyone that comes to this waterfall gets to the first layer, and to go further will now depend on every individual's capability to do so. Each layer has a very unique features. There is a stone called Wonderful Stone at this waterfall. It is said that no man on earth can lift this stone. Since Arinta Waterfall has been known, nobody till today has been able to lift this stone. The people of Ipole Loro are looking forward to the day someone will break this record. There is also a belief that this water cures diseases, especially skin diseases. If you are a tourist and you are here to visit this waterfall, then you are missing a great deal. The water is so chilling and cool. The best time to visit here is every time. There is no time that you can visit this waterfall. Anytime you come here, you will definitely enjoy yourself. Even when the sun is shining, the environment here is always cool, so there is no cause for alarm. This place is for relaxation, picnic, mountain climbing, bush trails, hiking, and so many other things you can do here. Let me give you some tips when visiting this waterfall. Firstly, come with a change of clothes because you will definitely get wet. Secondly, wear a gripping shoe. It involves less than a 10 minute hiking up the hill. Thirdly, bring your swimming gear along. Then you need a power bank. Get food, water and snacks before coming over, as there is no restaurant around. Please hold cash as transfer and POS are not available. Leave as early as possible because the road gets pretty lonely. You can drive up to 30 minutes without seeing a single soul down the hill. So here are things you can do at the waterfall. Hiking. It is a great place for hiking activities. You can also do mountain climbing here at the waterfall. It is also a good place to organize a picnic, get together and family reunion. Don't forget to take beautiful and lovely photos. Take a shower under the glowing water. Now you need to enjoy the wonderful view of the landscape and then the waterfall.
Okay, right now we finally get to the third layer of the Arinta Waterfall, and it has been a stressful journey anyway. We're climbing rock upward, then we saw this beautiful water here at the third layer. So you can also take a bait here, but I'm not sure if you can swim here. As you can see, it looks sleepy. It's not. Okay, they said it's not sleepy, but you have to be very careful here. So let's look at what it's trying to do. Get in the water. Wow, I need to try this. So let me to try something like this. Okay. Okay, you have to be very careful. Oh, wow. You need to be very, very careful. You have to be very careful. Woo! Woo! This is magic. Be careful! flows down from this angle. So we're moving towards where the water is floating from. So you need to be very careful here. As you can see, you take a step forward. Be careful.
So guys, it has been a wonderful hiking down to the hill. I haven't gone into the 7 layers yet, but I am on my way there. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button now for more of my documentaries video. Let's keep going.
Let's go. And let's start to be familiar with this. Very slowly, one after the other. Be careful. Take another step forward. Woo! Be careful. But any little mistake, you are all very, very careful. We can't tell. Woo! Wow. So beautiful. This is the source of the 4th layer of the Arinta Waterfall. You can see how beautiful it is. Look at how tiny the water is coming from those edges. I love this. Yes. Okay, say hello guys. Due to security and safety reason, we need to end the trip here at the way to the 5th waterfall. So just try, great chance to visit this Arinta Waterfall. As you can see, I'm sweating. It's part of the adventure. No giving up, no stopping. Keep pushing, keep trying, and never give up. Consistency is key. I love you. Mwah. So let's find our way back to where we are coming from. You know, safety first. In whatever you do, always remember to stay safe.